And inhale and exhale. Just walk and breathe out. Very good. There we go. And step. Now we're gonna add the hands like this. Push up, up. Awesome. Keep going. Make sure to make big steps. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Great. Keep walking. And tap. Follow the beats. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Great. Inhale and exhale. Woo. And go to the front, back. Front and back. Engage your core and contract your muscles. Step touch. And make big steps. Stay here and tap. There you go. Go forward, push, contract your arms and abdominals. Great. One more time. And stay. We're gonna bend the knees back straight and go low and up. Contract your abdominals at all times. Go down and up like you're pushing the weight up. And then we stay, we go low, inhale. Try to go lower, squatting down and up. Feet together now. Same thing, squat down and up. Try to feel your legs working out. And inhale and exhale. Great. Front and back. You got this. Awesome. And step. Come on, big steps. Yes. Stay, walk. Great. Now we stay here, inhale and exhale. And we're going to bend those knees. And we're going to push the pelvis front and back. Go lower than this. Yes, feet apart. And squeeze your pelvis front and back. You keep your back straight at all time, and I want you to really squeeze those abdominals like this, front and back. Don't move your head, don't move your shoulders, and go lower. You need to feel a workout in your thighs and glutes. Push more, really squeeze front and back. Bend those knees and isolate your upper body. Don't move your head, right? Let's keep going. Now we go side to side. Stay low at all time. Your feet are shoulder width. Arms out. And sway those hips. Push further than that. Yes. Few more. And switch. Squeeze front again. Contract your abdominals. Squeeze your glutes. Great. Side to side. Oh, it's getting hot already. Yes. One more. Come on, keep going. Last one. and squeeze forward. Keep your knees bent at all times, stay low. Three, two, one, and side. Great. Make a big circle with your hips, as big as you can, and reverse. Switch again. Back straight and reverse. Awesome. Push forward, squeeze those abdominals at all times, getting hot. Remember to keep your upper body straight. Come on, keep going. And inhale. Whew, and exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. Now have one foot forward like this in a lunge position. And let's go, we got this. So sway side to side like this, and don't move your upper body. Let's go. Stay low. Oh my God, push. Do you feel the burning sensation already? Come on, keep going. And switch side. Same thing, lunge position, back straight, and sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Few more. Stay low at all time. Go. Come on, keep going. Whew. And shake it out, everyone. There you go. Okay, so the next step, we're going to go like this. We're going to bend our knees and we're going to open, close like this. So the heels go slightly up. If you cannot go too narrow, you open up. Okay, so let's go. And breathe in, breathe out. Stay low. Make sure to open, close, open bigger. And keep going. Do you feel the burn? Few more. We got this. I'm so sweaty already. I'm like dripping here in class. Go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whew. And we stay here. We're going to have one foot forward like this, your right foot, and bend the back leg. Your knees is bent and make a big circle like this. Keep your knees bent. Come on, push bigger, make a circle. Yes. Let's go. And release. And come back to the scissors motion, the pouty. I know. Hang in there. Let's go. Few more. Stay low. Oh my God. Push. And release, shake it out. Great. Okay, so switch leg. We're gonna go like this to the left. Bend your back leg and make a big circle. Let's go. Come on, push. Stay low. Few more. Nice, shake it out. Very good, ladies. Okay, so over here, we go heels up. I want you to contract and hold it so you work out your calves. Extend, arms up. Keep going. Come on, go higher. Yes. Contract, hold it, and smaller. Go. A 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Come on, push. Don't stop, keep going. Yes. Just few more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to contract your calves and to hold it when you go up. Come on, keep going. Yes, you got this. And release. Okay, everybody bend your knees now. So now feet apart, squat down and roll. Down and circle. Let's go. Down and circle. Squat down and circle. Keep going. You're doing great. Really squat down and make that circle. So now stay here and bounce small. Stay low. Stay low. You got this. Few more. Very good. Inhale, exhale. So now let's go for plank position. Make sure that your hands are below your shoulders. Like this. Hold it. You're doing great. If not done yet, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me to keep going. Few more. Very good. Come on, keep going. And release. Awesome, everybody. Stand up, inhale and exhale. Whew, it's so hot now. And we stay here for the last round, okay? So shake your hips and go fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. My knees are moving at the same time. And push those hips. Don't stop. I know. You should feel your legs and thighs burning. Few more. Come on, push. Push those hips. Great. Push. One more. Arms out. Very last one. And inhale. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. You did great. Everybody inhale and exhale. Let's have a nice stretching. Legs straight to the front like this. Back straight and go down. Very good. Switch side, the other leg. Make sure you have your front leg straight. Breathe in and breathe out. And you go like this. You can help yourself on the wall or a chair. Or you're going to stay like this and balance yourself. Your knees are together like this. Breathe, hold it. And switch side, and if you need to lean on the wall or chair, go for it. Your knees are together like this. Yes, few more. Hold it. Last one. And release. Everybody go downwards like this. Keep your legs straight. Have a nice stretch. And roll up slowly. Well done on today's class. Tell me how it went for you. Please like and subscribe. Support my channel. Thank you so much. You can find more classes in the links below TahitianDanceFitness.com. I'm proud of you. Stay amazing and see you for our next class. Bye.